Hello, regards for clicking this video. So recently I previewed the question paper for the UZIMA borehole drilling system. That is the KCSE 2024 Computer Studies project. And today's aim of this video is to showcase the documentations for the same. So with me here I do have fully done work, both the milestone 1 and the milestone 2 complete. If you're new to this channel, we do assist computer studies candidates in tackling their projects every year. And they do end up scoring good grades. So if you're struggling with your projects, you are on the right place. So with me here I do have documentations for this year's work. As you can see, all these are tailored just for you, all these samples. So I'll just go through them one by one real quick and get to see what we have in here. So as you can see, they're fully done, professionally done, both milestone 1 and 2 included. Fully done. All you just have to do is to insert your personal details and you'll be done with your projects. Fully done and confident to score 100% in your project work. So as you can see, it's professionally done. Everything included, the flowcharts, the modules, the tables, screenshots, everything included. So you can get these samples. Few of them are uploaded to our website, that is kcseprojects.co.ke. You can go check them out and have a look at it, where you'll be able to purchase directly from there, and a copy of it will be sent directly to your email address immediately. Or alternatively, you can make your contact with the contact information that appears on the screen. Also, I'll leave the information down in the video description. Feel free to reach us out. If you just need a consultation with your work, feel free to reach us out and you'll be able to be assisted and build your academic success. So as you can see, everything is different layouts, different pictures, different texts, everything A to Z. So there is no way possible of plagiarism in your work. Fully done work. So all these samples, will have them sent to you to your email address. If you need to check what you're expected of it, we do have free samples of our past year's work. So go check our website, kcseprojects.co.ke. You'll be able to see our previous KCSE projects, fully done documentations, databases. Go check on it and have a look at what you're expected of it. So all these are tailored just for you. Place your orders. Also for consultation, feel free to reach us out and we're here for you. You will be able to be assisted. So as you can see, everything is different layouts, everything here, everything is totally different, capable of scoring you an A-plane in your final year. So currently there is a discount that is ongoing. If you make your purchase from our website, you'll get a 10% of discount, but it's for limited time. So go check on it. The database too are ready, but I'll make a separate different video for it. As you can see, also the databases are fully done, fully functional database, professionally worked out. So here's just one of the databases. If you need one of these samples or whichever copies you might be in need of, feel free to reach us out with the contact information that appears on the screen and you'll be able to be assisted. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that anytime we upload any content in relation to computer studies, you get notified. So that's it for now. Feel free to reach us out if you're having issues with your project and we'll be able to help you out. Bye for now.